Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A12. So what we need is next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and this SIM ejection tool is part here of the box. If you remove it like this, you will find it below the phone usually, directly here at this position. So just remove the wings like this and you will have it. Okay, otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone this SIM tray. And below the SIM tray, we will have a little hole in there. And with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, the phone have two versions. One single SIM version where you're able to insert one SIM card next to a micro SD card. Or in my case here, I have the dual SIM version. That's the most common one. Here you can insert two SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. Okay, so let's start with the first SIM card. You can always insert it here in the middle like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, if you have the single SIM version, you have your plastic part, but as I said, in my case, I have the dual SIM version. I'm able now to insert a second SIM card if I want to have it. So same thing. So also missing corner and missing corner. And the contacts are below. And in both cases, single SIM and dual SIM, you can add also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. So it is the last position here always. It has to look like this then. And the contacts are also below, as you can imagine. Okay, now let us insert the construction again here in the phone. Shake a bit that nothing jumps out. And close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumb up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.